So let's say we want to add like a booking page or a page where people can go and they can book appointments, right? So I'm logged inside the G7 platform. And the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to create a page. And how you do that, you go up to the top left hand corner, click on these on the three hamburgers, and then you should be able to click on pages and you're creating a page. All right. And what we're going to name this is booking. All right. So what we're going to do is name that booking, and we're going to say book. We want to give it a description, obviously. Book a one one call with a G, well, G7 support team member here. All right, so we gave it a description, slug, and it's going to be booking. Save changes. All right, so create the page created. Let's go back. Okay, and we want to edit this page. Okay, once we edit, it should take us into the builder. All right, come on. All right, so our header is already there, and so what we want to do is we want to add a block out here. So what we want to do is we want to create our own, and so we want to click create our own, and from there initially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say add a title in there because that's the first thing I always do. I always add titles inside here, inside the block here. That's what we're gonna do. Go back and click over here, add probably another text, and then initially that's going to be the subtitle. And then what I'm going to do is slide down here, and under content you'll see the option for Calendly. And if you don't have a Calendly account, sign up for Calendly. I really recommend it. I use Calendly personally. If you don't know, if you haven't booked a call with us, you probably have, or if you have booked a call with us, you probably booked it through Calendly because that's what I used to blow up my list, my callback list. Is I use Calendly. It's a wonderful platform to use. Really, really recommend it. Initially, after you insert the Calendly block in there, it's going to take up this whole screen here. You probably have to drag it down to make it fit perfectly. And the second thing, what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on it and highlight it where it shows this pop-up box where it says the link. All right, so my Calendly link is Calendly, it's calendly.com /support. Should be G7 support. All right, I might have to log in and do it and get it. Yeah, let's log into Calendly. And event types, and we're gonna basically copy our Calendly link from Calendly, and we're gonna go back to G7 here. I want to paste this link right in there just like that. Click enter, and what's going to happen is it's going to update there. All right, so now we have our G7 call booking. And so let's edit the title of this. So we could say book your, in context of the people. So you could say book my one-on-one support call now. All right, and let's change this from paragraph to, I want to do like a header 3. Yeah, that's fine right there. Let's say need technical. You know what? Let's go to ChatGPT and make this easier. We want to write a well-rounded sentence to put right here. A personalized one-on-one support in a book called JEE7 Daily. Let's help you achieve your goals. Very simple. It's crazy how you could just use ChatGPT just to create something that you could just write. All right. But the reason I go with it, I'm gonna tell you why psychologically, is because. All right, let's do this. Paste. It's gonna give me a broad ass answer to a simple solution, and that's low key what I want, especially when you're talking to the masses. I know that sounds crazy, right? But you want something that the masses will understand, and that's the beautiful part about it. So let's go to mobile view right quick. All right, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's drag this drop down box down so we can have the full Calendly. All right, we don't want no scroll effect, no scroll. So we drag that box down so it can book the full appointment there. All right, let's go back to desktop view. Looks beautiful. Jesus Christ, look how beautiful that looks, guys. Okay, and what we want to do now is we want to save this draft first and foremost. Let's save this draft. That's first and foremost what we want to do. And then secondly, what we want to do is publish this page. Okay, so now we have the page saved it and we have the page published. So now we have a place where people that wants to book a one-on-one support call, they can literally just come over here and book the call. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to the menu. It's going to be very simple. Come over here and click on the hamburgers again. Click on menu at the top. Okay, after you click on menu, what we're going to do is going to click over here to pages and add that booking page. So we're going to click add to menu. All right, and so now it's inside the menu as well. Let's see, do I want to put it under something? Nah, probably under solutions. Probably want to put it under solutions. So if they want to kind of like go to solutions and book a call, they can do that. All right, and so we can save and we can exit out, and from there initially we should be published now. So let's go over here and click over to the page. Let's preview it live. All right, book my one-on-one support call and personalized tailored support. All right, and now our visitors can come over here and just book a call on JEE7.com. They can just come on the website and just book their call now. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a booking page on JEE7 using Calendly. All right, see you in the next video.